My question is, how up to date is the information that you provide?
Great
Is
question.
is it up to date within a week, a day, month? That's my question.
So it depends on the data set. So the data set that we collect will vary on the frequency of when we're getting the update from that provider. So it's not like we're getting our data from one source, Amazon, so we could just order every day. We're getting data from local sources, nationwide sources, regional sources, third-party sources, et cetera, et cetera. And depending on the data set, it can vary on the frequency of update. Like, for example, open mortgages. Why would you update every day when people only make a mortgage payment once a month, right? So the providers that we collect our equity data from, our mortgage balances from, they only update their data once a month because the calculations come in at the beginning of the month usually. When it comes to like MLS data, a property could be listed every day. And so the MLS is probably our fastest data set that can get updated within 24 to 48 hours of an agent's update. But here's how you can identify the last update, right? Don't take my word on it. Just go into a market, let's say Fulton County, Georgia, and you see this little tab right here by number 3, click on it. And there's a section here that you probably want to pay attention to. It's called last update. And if you click on that, you can organize it. Oh, I'm lagging a little bit from most recent to oldest. But what you want to do is click on a category first. So, hey, I like to see the most recent MLS update. Click on MLS. Click on this, and you'll be able to see the date of the most recent update.
Awesome. All right.
You can then click on pre-foreclosure and then know what each category's update is as you go to each category. Because again, some data comes from the realtors, some will come from the county, some will come from the postal service, some will come from our mortgage providers, and they're not on the same page, unfortunately.